when the daylight's gone and you're on your own and you need a friend just to be around. I will comfort you, I will take your hand and I'll pull you through. I will understand, and you know that
Happy birthday! We love you! Party, party!
survive through the haste and hurry. I'll be at your side if you feel like you're alone and you've nowhere to turn. I'll be at your side. If life's standing still and your soul's confused and you cannot find what road to choose, if you make mistakes, you can't let me down. I will still believe.
Go.
Ning! Happy birthday! Ay, happy birthday day sa suang! Uy, muro ko buang dili ba?
Sige, go.
Dapat happy ka karon kay dili lang kita duha ang nag-celebrate ang birthday na ana atong mga friends. I love you, Ning! Yun lang.
Uy! Happy birthday, Ning! Medyo busy kay ko ka nagbuhat ko para sa mga video. Happy birthday di ay ta. Malipay kasi yung birthday. Nalamin sa mo ha. Basta na namin kalipay lang ha. Basta happy birthday, ingat ka lagi. Nalang jud may permit din sa. Love you, bye-bye. What's ako?
Hi girl! Happy 18th birthday. Di mo na jud mo karon. Tapos, kanang thank you sa memories nato sa una. Ato nagauban ta na kita ko nila nila Leslie, nila Lota, nila Sheila, GG5 sure. Tapos, mag-sorry lang po kay yawa naman yung galit. Tapos, ayaw, Leslie, bro. Tapos, kato lang. Tapos, I hope na magdugay mo sa imuhang camper. Tapos, tarong ngayong eskwela kay buhon, mag-uban na ta. mag-uwan na ta, mag-banding ta puhon, mag-outing ta. Tapos, kaya na alam. Happy birthday. Ingat. And God bless. Hi, Ning! Happy birthday! Finally, 18 na jud ka. Ato ang wish dati, di ba? Gusto na ito maging maskema. Pagpunta sa 18. Magbuhat na natin mong gusto. Ay, ambot lang kung magbuhat na nimo kay. Pero siguro, di ba? Happy birthday, Ning! Uta, happy kasi mong birthday. Of course, happy jud ka. Dapat lang kay naamit. As na yung mga surprises sa imuha. Di ba? Ug kuan, I wish you all the best. All the best in life. Good luck in your studies and of course, imong love life. Unta na, happy mo always ni Rodmark. And hindi mo sasig-away kay sayang ang time. And cherish every moment with each other. Char. Okay, you know, it's really very hard kung mabot na ang time na kamuna po ang magkahiwalay ka ma-experience. Yun mo akong naagihan. Ning, you know, I love you so much. I really, yes, really. I really cherish every moment with you. Okay, dugay na tayo ta best friend. Sa una pa, nursing pa ta. Nursery, tapos elementary, tapos high school, and then now college. Sa una, wala pa tayo buot. Karon kay, noon na tayo mga scamma. Tapos, you know, kanang kuan kay kaning. Level up na ta. Level up na ta. Unta, forever na muna Rodmark. Ay, no, pag-away ha. Pag-ming. Advice. Advice ning kuan. Kabalo na jud ka kung asa lang ta pwede, di ba? Know your limitations. And of course, study hard. Good brain, like me. Dili mo sig absent like me. Pag ka lang, kung akay problema kay na lang jud kuning. Na lang jud ko, duol lang kay kuning. Huwag ning, silingan lang ta. Kung mamalhin may ingnan jud ikaw niya, dapat tagbalay. Kanya, Ning, see you in the future, di ba? Dapat matuloy atong dreams. Dugay ka mo message na. Kanang matuloy atong dreams, maging successful ta. And that's it. I love you, Ning! Happy birthday! Yay! Mama!
Ayang, happy birthday. Hope na happy kay kasi mong birthday niya. Unta, wishing you a good health forever and ever. I love you so much, Yang. Bye.
Happy birthday! We love you!